Good morning, students. Today our topic is alcohol phenol ether. Let us see the question number 5. Propene. So, question number 1, propene can be converted into 1-propanol by the oxidation. Which of the set of the reagent is effect in the above conversion? We say propene formula CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is propene. That is converted into CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. So here CH2 group OH is added to the H group hydrogen is added. So that is anti-Markovnikov of addition. Anti-Markovnikov of addition is followed in the presence of peroxide reagent catalyst. So here peroxide means here this is hydroboration and oxidation process. This is B2H6H2 alkali H2O2, that is the reagent. B2H6 and alkali H2O2 hydrogen peroxide reagent. So this reaction is hydroboration and oxidation reaction. So here H2O is added to the alkene by the anti-Markovnikov rule. Then only 1-propanol is formed. Option is 3. Then next one, which of the following combination can be used to synthesize ethanol? You see here ethanol means methyl magnesium bromide or chloride or iodide is react with ester. Then what is ester? CH3 COOCH3. Then what happen? Here methyl group it is shifted to this one side. MgI attached to that one. Methyl group attached to this one. Then the product is CH3. See the reaction. CH3 COMgI. Then CH3 OCH3. So this is the next one step reaction. Okay. Again CH3. Sorry, CH3 this one. OCH3. Again here O minus form the bond with here this one, and this OCH3 separated with MgI. Then to form product is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Propanone is formed, or this one is becomes to acetone or propanone. This group acetone or propanone. Remaining MgOCH3 is byproduct. MgOCH3I. Okay. Again it is followed by the hydrolysis. Means it is followed by the react with water. Which compound? This one compound is followed by react with water. What happen? So MgOCH3I is followed by react with water. Then what happen? Here OH, here H is separate. Here OH and H separate. Sorry ma, this is C2H5, not CH3. This one group. Here CH3. Here also C2H5. So here C2H5. Here also C2H5 ethyl group. Here also C2H5 will come ethyl group. This C2H5OH ethyl alcohol is formed, plus MgOHI is separated. Okay. So in this reaction, third option is given. Are you understand this one? It is followed by the this magnesium methoxy magnesium iodide followed by hydrolysis to form. Sorry, ethoxy magnesium iodide followed by the hydrolysis to form ethyl alcohol, and also hydroxy magnesium iodide is formed. So third option is give the ethyl alcohol. So option is 3. Then question number 7. Ethyl propanoate on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to yield. So here ethyl ethyl propanoate. Ethyl propanoate means CH3, here CH3, CH2, COO, CH4. Ethyl propanoate is followed by the reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Then what happen? So here lithium aluminum hydride is reduce the ester into alcohol. Here bond cleavage takes place. Then to form CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propanol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propanol is formed. Okay, plus remain in this group, the ethyl group, ethoxy group is becomes to CH3, CH2OH, ethanol is formed. So one of the product is propanol, another product is ethanol. So two different products are formed, propanol and ethanol. Option is ethanol and propanol mixture is formed on the reduction of ethyl propanoate ester to form propanol and ethanol. Then next one is eighth one. You see here, this is very important question, this one. So in this one question, CH2 double bond CH bond COOH, allylic acid is react with aluminum hydride, lithium aluminum hydride, reducing it. Here lithium aluminum hydride is reduce the carboxylic group to alcohol, but not reduce the olefinic double bond. Means CH2 double bond CH, this bond is not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. It is only reduce the carboxylic acid to alcohol. So this is product. So option is 2 is correct option. So this is the question number 8. Then next one is question number 11. You see here. So here also diborane BH3 tetrahydrofuran H2O alkali hydrogen peroxide. Already I told first one question. So same this one question method here, this one also. So here also anti-Markovnikov of addition of water is added to the alkene. Means you see here CH3 CH2 again CH2 CH double bond CH2, that is CH. To this compound here BH3 means hydroboration and oxidation process. Here H2O2 alkali H2O2 addition of water to this alkene. So it is a Markovnikov addition. So here less number of hydrogen side hydrogen, more number of hydrogen side OH group is added. Then the product is CH2 OH is added. Here already CH2 is there, one more hydrogen is added, here CH2 will come. So this compound name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 carbons, 1 pentanol. Okay, 1 pentanol is formed. 1 pentanol. Sorry, 1 pentanol. 1 pentanol means so option is 1 is correct. Next question number 30. The product of acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl ethene. So acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl ethene is here. First, the product of acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl ethene. 2-phenyl ethene. Acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl ethene. Okay, see here 2-phenyl ethene. First you write structure 2-phenyl ethene. CH3 phenyl. Sorry, not 2-phenyl. 2-phenyl propene amma. 2-phenyl propene. So this is 2-phenyl propene. Okay, this 2-phenyl propene is undergoes the hydrolysis. Okay, then how to add the water to this alkene? So according to the Markovnikov addition, water is added to this compound to form CH3 2-phenyl. Here CH3, here OH will come. So this compound is 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. 2-phenyl propane 2-ol will form. So product of acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl propene. This is 2-phenyl propene. It undergoes the acid catalyzed hydration means addition of water. Then we obtained the 2-phenyl 2-hydroxy 2-phenyl propane 2-ol is formed. 2-phenyl propane 2-ol or 2-propanol will form. Option is 3. Then next one is question number 16. Here the osmium tetroxide is reagent used to hydration of osmium tetroxide is used to hydroxylation of cis hydroxylation of alkene by the osmium tetroxide. Is here osmium tetroxide is reagent used for hydroxylation of cis olefin cis hydroxylation of olefins means CH2 double bond CH2 is the alkene olefin. If it is react with osmium tetroxide, then what happen? CH2 here one side OH, another side OH. This is a cis addition of 2 voles is addition to the alkene. So that is the olefin to give the cis diol. This is cis diol. That is the reagent of osmium tetroxide. In case here addition of 2 OH group to the transposition means the reagent is paracids, or instead of OS osmium tetroxide is here CH2 double bond CH2 paracids or CO3H paracids is there. So at the time CH2 one side OH, opposite side also OH. This is trans addition, that is in the presence of paracids. Osmium tetroxide, that is a cis addition of OH group to the alkene. So option is olefin to give diol, cis diols. So option is 2. Okay, then next one is the question number 7. Oxymercuration and demercuration reaction of 1-phenyl cyclohexene. Very important question. So here 1-phenyl cyclohexene means its structure is 1-methyl cyclohexane. This is 1-methyl cyclohexane. So this compound is undergoes the oxymercuration demercuration. Oxymercuration demercuration means here also addition of Markovnikov addition of water. Markovnikov addition of H2O. Remember this point. Here condition is oxymercuration demercuration means Markovnikov addition of water to the alkene. HgOAc twice H2O in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So here Markovnikov addition of H2O to this alkene. Then what happen? According to the Markovnikov addition, here H is there, here no more H is there. More number double bond carbon containing more number of hydrogen side positive part is added, less number of hydrogen side negative part is added. More number of hydrogen this one. So here positive part means one more H is added. After addition of H, already one CH is there here, CH2 become. Then CH3 will come. Here positive charge. To this positive charge OH group is added. OH group negative part is added. Then CH3 OH will come. So this compound name is 1-methyl cyclohexanol. 1-methyl cyclo, option is 3. 1-methyl cyclohexanol. Option 3. Then next one is the question number 19. In following sequence of reaction, very simple is here CH3 CH2 OH. Alcohol react with phosphorus and iodine to form ethyl iodide C2H5I. Because of CH3 CH2 we can write C2H5I. Ethyl alcohol is becomes to ethyl iodide. Followed by react with Mg, then to form ethyl magnesium iodide is come. Ethyl magnesium iodide C2H5 Mg, ethyl magnesium iodide. It is followed by react with formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. To this formaldehyde is shifted to this one side. MgO is added to this oxygen atom. Ethyl group is attached to the carbon atom. Then product is C2H5 CH again CH2. Because of this two hydrogens, so we can write CH2. Then OMgI. It is followed by the H3O, means acid hydrolysis. So here bond broken, here H, here OH is added. MgOHI separated. Magnesium hydroxy iodide is separated. Remaining C2H5 CH2OH. Means C2H5 you can write CH3 CH2 again CH2 OH. One propanol is formed, or propanol, N-propyl alcohol. Option is 4. Then next to question number 20. The main product of following reaction is here C6H5 CH2 CHOH, then CH3 CH3. If it is react with concentrate H2SO4, so it undergoes dehydration. What happens? It undergoes dehydration. Concentrate H2SO4. So first what happens? This OH group is separated. Then what happens? Product C6H5 CH2 CH plus, then CH3 twice. So here 2 CH3 group is there, so that's why we can write CH3 twice. Again it is followed by the 1,2 shift of hydride ion. Hydride means this H plus is shifted to H minus shifted to this one side, then it becomes to C6H5 CH. So because of it is a secondary carbocation less stable, it is a benzyl carbocation more stable. So that's why less stable is becomes to more stable purpose, yet it is undergoes the rearrangement. Okay, so transfer of 1,2 shift of hydrogen. Then what happens? CH2 CH3 twice. So this is the compound. It is followed by the loss of H plus to the beta carbon. So this is positive carbon. Next one is this is beta carbon. In this beta carbon, this hydrogen is removed. H plus is separated from this beta position. Okay. Then C6H5 CH double bond CH3 twice. So this is the compound. But this compound it is undergoes the cis and trans isomer. But which one is more stable? Means trans is more stable. This compound is arranged in the cis and trans isomer. Cis is less stable, trans is more stable. So same this compound we can observe. This is this one product. This is also this one product. So this is the cis isomer. This is the trans isomer. Which one is more stable? Trans is more stable compared to the cis. Okay, because of two bulky groups are opposite side, it is more stabilized. So option 2 is correct option. That is main product. Then next question number 21. From the amongst the following alcohol, one that would react fast with concentrated HCl and H2SO4. Concentrated HCl and ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2 concentrated H2SO4. This is called Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Which one is readily react with Lucas reagent? Tertiary alcohol is fastly react with Lucas reagent. Then secondary alcohol, last primary alcohol. Then which one is given 4 option? One of the option is the tertiary alcohol is there. 1 butanol, this is primary alcohol. 2 butanol, secondary alcohol. 2 methyl propane 2-ol means propane 2 methyl 2-ol means this is what happened tertiary na. So this is a tertiary alcohol. Last 2-methyl propanol. Propanol means this one. 2-methyl propanol, that is primary carbon. This is also primary. Then which one is fastly reactive? Tertiary is more reactive. Option 3 is correct. This is option 3. 2-methyl propane tool. Tertiary alcohols fastly react with Lucas reagent. Then second and primary. Option 3. Catalytic dehydrogenation of primary alcohol give aldehyde. Simple, this one is here CH3 CH2OH. Alcohol is there. Alcohol is undergoes the dehydrogenation in the presence of catalytic catalyst. Catalyst means copper at 573 Kelvin. 573 Kelvin. Catalytic dehydrogenation. These two hydrogens separated to form CH3, CHO aldehyde and H2 separated. That's why aldehyde is the main product. Option is 2. Next 24. Oxidation of organic compound A with Na2 Cr2O7 and H2SO4 to give compound B, which on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst to give ethyl alcohol. This here final product is ethyl alcohol C2 or CH3 CH2OH ethyl alcohol final product. How it is obtained? Followed by the reduction in the presence of nickel catalyst. Okay, so here what is B product? So ethanol, the reduction of which compound to give the ethanol? So here ethanol means it contains 2 carbon. So here also product must contain the 2 carbon CH3 CH. So this is aldehyde. It may be aldehyde, then only aldehyde is reduced to alcohol in the presence of nickel aluminum nickel catalyst. So it is followed by the obtained by the what is that Na2CrO3 Na2Cr2O7 and H2SO4, that is the oxidation process. Okay, then here what is the A value here? Oxidation process. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So here ethyl alcohol if you take, here 2 hydrogens are separated, that is oxidation process. After then to form aldehyde, again reduction to form again same alcohol is formed. So here option is 2. So ethyl alcohol is undergoes the oxidation to form ethanol. Ethanol is followed by the reduction with nickel to form again ethyl alcohol is reproduced. So option is 2 is correct option. Okay, then next one is 25. The major product of following reaction is. You see here what is major product of following reaction here? Once you check the reaction, what the compound 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3 means 2 methyl 1, 2 dihydroxy. This is compound react with H2SO4. 25 question. Compound is CH3 here OH CH2OH. This compound is undergoes the react with H2SO4. First it is react with it undergoes the removal of OH minus group, then to form CH3 CH2OH. Here point charge will form. So here you will get one doubt. Why this one hydroxy group is removed? Why can't this one group is removed? Because of here it is more readily removed, this OH group. Why means it is attached to the tertiary carbon. So tertiary the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon, that is more reactive. That's why it is fastly removed from the compound. That's where tertiary carbocation is formed and also more stable. In case here the OH group is removed, here slowly this OH group removed and also form for primary carbocation. That is the primary carbocation is less stable, tertiary carbocation most, that's why it is a main product. After then it is followed by the hydride ion shift, 1, 2 shift of hydride ion. So this group is shifted to this one side. then CH3, CH, CH3, CHOH. Okay, again followed by the one H plus. Now H plus is separate. This H plus is separate. This H plus is separate. After removal of this H plus, then product is CH3, CH3, CH, CH double bond O. So that is the main product. That is the isobutyl. This is isobutyl group. Butyl aldehyde. Isobutyl aldehyde is compound. That is question number 25. Isobutyl aldehyde. So here isobutyl aldehyde option is 4. Sodium react rapidly with. Generally, the reactivity of alcohol with metals, sodium metal is tertiary alcohol is primary, reactivity of alcohol with metals, alkali metals, primary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol, then tertiary alcohol with metals, with alkali metals or metals. Primary alcohol, secondary, tertiary, which one is fastly react with alcohol, fastly react with metals? So metals having the basic nature. Okay, primary alcohol is less acidic nature. That's why, or compared to the tertiary and secondary, primary alcohol is a little bit more acidic nature. That's why it is react with metals. So primary alcohol is fastly react with alkali metals compared to the secondary and tertiary alcohol. So option is primary alcohol. Just HBr react fastly with HBr react fastly with. This is also same concept. So during this reaction involve the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. So here COH bond is cleavaged. Why means this OH group is removed by the HBr. So this H2O separate, this Br is attacked to the carbon atom to form alkyl bromide. So in this process tertiary alcohol fastly react with hydrogen halide, then secondary and primary. Hydrogen halide means either HCl or HBr or HI. So alcohols react with this hydrogen halide. Tertiary alcohol is fastly react with secondary and primary. Among these four options, which are the following is the tertiary alcohol that is fastly react with HBr? Then which one is the tertiary alcohol? 2-methyl propane 2-ol is the tertiary alcohol. It is fastly react with HBr. Option is 1. Then next question number 28. Let us see this concept. So among the given compound, correct dehydration order. Which are the following is the correct dehydration? Which one is form the stable carbocation that is easy to undergo dehydration? You say your first one, after loss of H plus to form phenyl carbocation. Second one, after loss of OH minus to form cyclohexyl carbocation. Third one, after loss of OH minus to form allyl carbocation. After loss of OH minus to form conjugated diene carbocation. So this one. So it is more stabilized. Fourth one. Why means here two conjugated double bond is there. That's why it is more stabilized. Later here only one double bond allyl group is there. It is second stable compound. Then this is secondary carbocation stable. This is unstable. So highest it is a more it form more number of Lorentz structure. Fourth one compared to the third one. After then secondary carbocation. Last this one is least stable. Phenyl carbocation is unstable. Conjugated the carbocation and the conjugate diene that is more stable. Fourth one. So this allyl carbocation it formed Lorentz structure, but compared with fourth one it formed less number of Lorentz structure. That's why 3. So it does not form Lorentz structure. Last this is third position. This is unstable fourth position. So option is 4, 3, 2, 1 or D, C, B, A. Option is 1. Then next question number 29. Phenol are phenol are not dehydrated. Also alcohol leading to conjugated system are easily dehydrated. 4. Here this is phenol. Phenols are not dehydrated. Also alcohols lead to the conjugate system easily dehydrated. The order of reactor following alcohol toward considered HCl. Same concept here. What concept is involved 28? Same concept also here. Which are the following compound form the stable carbocation after loss of OH minus? That is easy to undergoes the dehydration. Let us see the example. So I will explain this. Then first one compound is, this is the first one compound. Then next second compound OH and F. Then next one is third one compound isopropyl alcohol and phenol. Isopropyl alcohol phenol. Last phenol. Sorry, benzyl alcohol, not phenol. Benzyl alcohol, CH2OH. So after loss of H plus, it form secondary carbocation. After loss of your OH minus, it form secondary carbocation. After loss of OH minus, it form secondary carbocation. After loss of OH minus, it form benzyl carbocation. Which one is more stable? Benzyl carbocation is more stable because of it forms stable Reynolds structures. Later secondary carbocation, it is more stable. After benzyl carbocation, secondary carbocation more stable. But among these two here, withdrawing group is there. Due to the presence of withdrawing group is nearer to the carbocation, stability decrease. Here 1, 2. So here second position withdrawing group is there. Here first position withdrawing group is there. So which one is more stable? Here very nearer to the carbocation. This is unstable. It is away from the carbocation, a little bit more stable. That's why third one position is this one. Last position is first one. So highest stability is 4. Next to 3. Next to 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So fourth one is form the stable carbocation. It is readily undergoes the dehydration. Then third one, second one, first one. So option is 4, 3, 2, 1. First 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. Option is 3. Then next question number 34. Very important question. So many times came in the examination also. Generally here OH group, here keto group is there. Zinc amalgam and this NH2 and NH2OH. Okay. So here keto group is reduced to hydrocarbon by the two reaction, Wolff-Kishner reaction and also Clemmensen reaction. Clemmensen reaction reagent is zinc amalgam HCl. Wolff-Kishner reaction hydrogen and in the presence of alcohol. So hydrogen also reduce the keto group to hydrocarbon. Clemmensen reaction also reduce the keto group to hydrocarbons. But here zinc amalgam means Clemmensen reduction is also react with this OH group. Why means so here zinc amalgam and HCl react with this one OH group. Here OH is replaced by this one Cl. But here OH is not changing. Means here OH group is not reacted with Cl. That means here zinc amalgam is not used for this process. Here hydrogen and alkali hydrogen is used. So in this process here OH is not replaced by this alkali hydrogen. In case instead of alkali hydrogen places zinc amalgam is there, then OH group also replaced by the chlorine. Here Cl will come. But here product Cl is not coming. OH is not changing. That's why here hydroxy alkali hydrogen is used as a correct reagent. So option is 2, correct option. Means once again here both zinc amalgam and HCl and alkali hydrogen reduce the keto group to hydrocarbons. But zinc amalgam HCl is not only reduce the keto group to hydrocarbon, it is also react with OH group attached to the ring that is replaced by the chlorine. But here OH group is not replaced. That's why this is not correct suitable reagent. So this is a suitable option 2 is correct one. Okay, so option that is question number 35. Next 35, one phenol, two phenols can be distinguished by one phenol, two phenol. You see here. So one phenol, now one propanol, two propanol, one propanol, two propanol. Here 35 question. One propanol CH3 CH2 CH2, one propanol, then CH3 CH CH3, two propanol. One propanol react with copper, okay, to form CH3 CH2 CH aldehyde. Aldehyde is react with failing solutions to form red precipitate. That means aldehyde change to carboxylic acid. Okay, but secondary alcohol is react with copper catalyst. Here two hydrogens separate to form ketone CH3 CO CH3. It is react with failing solution, no reaction takes place. So failing solution only reduce the aldehyde to carboxylic acid, but never reduce the keto to carboxylic acid. So primary alcohol is and secondary alcohols are distinguished by the failing solutions. Here option is it is the compound is oxidized by the copper followed by the failing solution oxide KMnO4 acid dichromate, copper followed by the failing solution. So here H2S sulfur. So here copper followed by the failing solution. So primary alcohol react with copper to form aldehyde followed by failing solution becomes to red precipitate. Secondary alcohol is react with copper catalyst to form ketone followed by failing solution, no reaction takes place. So like that primary secondary alcohols are distinguished by this reaction. Option is 3. Then next question number 36 is here this one product H3PO4. So I will explain the reaction mechanism here. So pentane and CH2OH. This is the product reactant. It is react with H3PO4 acid. Here H plus is combined with this OH minus to form CH2 plus. So here in this reaction the ring undergoes the expands. So here it is shifted to this one side. Here ring is bond breaking takes place. Here negative charge, here positive charge will come. This it is shifted to this one side to form, it undergoes rearrangement to form 5-member ring. It becomes to 6-member ring followed by the loss of one H plus ion, either this one side or this one side, to form cyclohexene main product. So that is question number 36. Cyclohexene is a main product. So here cyclohexene is a main product. Here, so this is cyclohexene, but in option what they given, this is they given, this one or this one both are same equal. So option is 3. Cyclohexene is a main product. Then next one is 37. 37th questions here. Which of the following compound is resistant to the periodic acid oxidation? Generally, the molecule contain the, this here one concept, the molecule contain the OH group or keto group. keto group attached to the adjacent to carbon atom. So here keto group attached to adjacent carbon, here OH group attached to adjacent carbon. So like that keto group or OH group attached to adjacent carbon atom, that compound undergoes the oxidation with the cleavage of CC bond, means this CC bond when reaction with periodic acid HiO4. So here also adjacent CO group is there, adjacent OH group is there, here adjacent OH group is there. But here adjacent CO group is not there, OH group also not there, CH2 hydrocarbon. That's why it is not undergoes the oxidation with periodic acid. Option is 2. Okay, concept are you understand? OH group or CO group present in the adjacent carbon. This first carbon, next adjacent carbon CO group. First one carbon, adjacent carbon, here CHOH group is there. Here also CH2OH group is there. But here CH2OH also not there and also CO group also not there. So this type of the compound is not react with periodic acid. So option is 2. Option 2 is main product. Then next ethylene glycol on oxidation with periodic acid, what happens? Ethylene glycol means CH2OH, CH2OH. This is ethylene glycol. Here adjacent OH group is there. It undergoes the periodic acid HiO4 to form here bond breaking takes place, carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place to form here CH2OH group is becomes to formaldehyde. Here also CH2OH become to formaldehyde. Total 2 formaldehyde is formed, major product. 2 formaldehyde is main product. Then next question number 40. Consider the following reaction. Here ethyl alcohol react with PBr. Then what happen? See here reaction. Question number 40. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. Ethyl alcohol react with PBr3 to form ethyl bromide CH3 CH2 Br ethyl bromide, followed by react with alcoholic KOH. Then what happen? KBr H2O separate, alkene is formed ethene CH2 double bond CH2. So that is this is X. Question what they given? Once again see here. This is X is ethyl bromide. Alkene, Y is alkene, followed by H2SO4 and H2O. Means addition of water to the alkene. This is X. This is Y. Okay, this is Y. To this alkene, we are adding the H2O in the presence of acidic medium. Marconic of addition means one side H, another side OH, add CH3, CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol is a Z. So option is Z is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is Z. Z is ethyl alcohol. Option 4. Next 41 question. The major product formed when 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol on heating with constant sulfuric acid. 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. See here mechanism. 41 is 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. This is the 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. If it is react with acid H2SO4, this OH H2O separated to form the carbocation. Okay. Again it is followed by the transfer of methyl group or shift of 1,2 shift of methylene group to this one carbon. So here CH, see this methyl group shifted to this one side due to rearrangement process. Then C means CH3. Here also CH3, CH3. Then CH, CH3, CH3. Secondary carbocation becomes to tertiary carbocation, it is main product, major product, more stable, followed by loss of H plus ions on the beta position. This is beta carbon, here H is loss, then between them double bond is formed here, then CH3, double bond C, CH3 and CH3. This is main product. The compound name is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 dimethyl 2-butene. 2, 3 dimethyl 2-butene major product. 2, 3 dimethyl 2-butene. Option is 1. So this is compound CH3, C, CH3 double bond, CH3, CH3, 2, 2 dimethyl 2-butene. Victor Mayer test, the color is given with the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol is given the red color, primary alcohol give the red color solution, tertiary alcohol give the blue color solutions. Sir, primary alcohol give red color solution when react with Victor Mayer test, and secondary alcohol is reacts with Victor Mayer test, it becomes to blue color solution. Tertiary alcohol is it gives the white color solution, it means no color or colorless. So red, blue or colorless. Option is 2. The next 44th question, sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid is react with NaOH to form sodium phenoxide. Okay, here Na2SO3, sorry, NaHSO3 separated. NaHSO3 separated, then ONA is attached to this one, followed by react with HCl. Here Cl and Na separated, NaCl separated. This NaCl separated, NaCl. Then H is added to the attached oxygen to form phenol is main product. Option is 2. 45. Phenol does not react with one of the following. Phenol react with alkali metal and also sodium hydroxide and also potassium hydroxide, but it is not react with sodium bicarbonate. Why? Means phenol is a less acidic than sodium bicarbonate. Compared to the bicarbonate, phenol is less acidic. That's why the less acidic phenol is not react with more acidic carbonates, bicarbonates. That's why fourth option is correct. So this is today our topic. That's all. Thank you.